So sorry,
Whew.
like I don't know what like they just actually just took the light right now, so it's fucking annoying. I don't know. Zip way. I don't know.
I
We
just
don't.
share
We
my
always
own
have
screen
like.
too now.
Yeah. Okay. I think it's only one done. Yeah. You're basically going to be the one to do the whole vibe coding stuff today. I think the stuff you're working on, so we can basically start adding you. Because have you gotten the VPS?
No, I've not gotten it though.
So I think we should just get that VPS so that we can
Okay.
connect your app up and start working on basically everything. So I'm gonna
Okay.
leave the
Okay.
live.
No,
So
no,
you
you
should
can
share your screen.
share your
Okay, yeah,
screen
no,
too now. Two of us can share our
yeah,
screen now. Okay?
no,
Let
no for
me
that.
let me turn off
Yeah,
my camera too.
no, you have to be the one to. You can only one person can share. So I'm gonna make you share your screen. Okay, you're sharing your screen.
Should I turn off my camera?
No, 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 you're all good. You're all good. You can leave it like
Okay,
that.
okay, okay, okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So
Go.
please send me that. Okay, let me just copy it. The referral link.
Very important. Very important. Yeah, we there. Very copy it. Copy it. Let me open mine too. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. So
Okay, that is the link, Abi.
yeah.
I need to even start adding Paystack integrations to my own app. That's what I'm thinking.
Do
Those are the
you
two
do,
features now.
do you really need to actually do it yet?
I don't even think I need it honestly. I just want to have it so that I don't need to be telling clients pay to my OP. I'll just send them an invoice. So that way I can like
Okay.
trigger the invoice from my app. Maybe I'll just do the triggering from my app. So I don't need to log
You know there
into
will be some charges
mm,
too anyway, but yeah,
mm,
because they have
okay,
to take
okay.
some cuts themselves also.
Mm.
So is it
So
1,000
yeah, 8,000 for which one? V1, yeah,
per month?
VM1.
Yeah.
It's not per month though. It's not per month. Ah,
Period 1 month. Is it now?
1 month period. Okay, yeah, yeah, okay. So you're
Why
using my
why is this?
referral discounts, which is 2,000. So they're basically discounting you 2K.
I don't
Okay,
need
that's
do
really
you.
that's really good. I think do you
I'm
okay,
only
let
the
me
do you. Like it's only the do you who the discount 2K.
they are discounting you, they are basically discounting you 2,000 right now. It's for your it's not a good thing. So I think I'm going to just share
Why
my
is this
link.
not working? Let me start. Why this
Was not
is
working? Just refresh, maybe refresh it or so.
okay? It is here already. So choose a server location. Should I
Mm.
do? What
Yeah.
should I do?
You want
US,
to
Abi?
do no, I think
Or Europe?
you just do yeah, you want to do
UK, Abi?
Europe, yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah, because I think that the closest to.
Yeah, they're the closest here. Yeah.
Okay, okay. It's not allowing me to choose. It's not allowing me to choose Europe. I have to choose one location in Europe.
Yeah,
Maybe I
choose
just
yeah,
choose
one use
UK,
United
Abi.
Kingdom exactly.
Yeah.
Can you like wait, okay, yeah, it's
Optional.
interesting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one is optional.
Hmm.
So I think that
Let's
is
see. No, no, no,
alright.
scroll down. Let us see. So you want to do do you want to do yeah, you have to do can you search
OS with
for
panel.
easy panel? Can you search for easy panel? Just search for
Okay.
easy panel. Let's see if it's there. Is it there?
Okay. This is yeah OS with panel.
Um
So I select it.
yeah, yeah, easy panel, yeah. Confirm. Yep. Yeah.
Okay. So this is good.
I'm going to share my referral link down. So at least for any plan you want to do, you can just use my referral code and they're going to basically give you a discount of 20%. Let's go.
I don't know. My network is slow. My net. I might have to restart it anyway.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
basically accepts UP card, right?
I think so. I've not actually tried it honestly, but I think so. Because since they were
It
basically
is
asking
Naira.
that Naira, since it was in Naira, so that should they should be able to, right?
Okay, I hope so because I don't want to broke.
Yeah, yeah. You go to make 100 million and you're broke. What the fuck? Let me broke here. Um, do not be broke here, my brother.
It's not by choice, bro.
Not by choice.
Not
Not
by
by
choice.
choice.
Let me try to set up my card. So I don't know. Or should I just use
Yeah, make sure
my
you're hiding your card details so that
my
nobody, you're not
grey
going to use
card?
your card and be your card. Be your card.
Go to shock them. Let me just use my dollar card.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's went through.
Okay. Sounds good.
So generate a password or use SSH.
Let's see. Yeah, just generate a password. That's just the best way.
Do they have an MCP?
Hmm. They don't have MCP. I'm not sure, but since it's basically a VPS, you can use the SSH key to like just connect with your SSH MCP server. You can just use that one. If you want me, I can just remove your screen from the live so you can basically check your password.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
It's going to save by itself. We're going to put my
Sure.
username here.
No, just yeah, activate the free malware scanner. Just activate it. Okay, setting that up.
So let's start launching.
Okay.
Okay.
So I if I can you will not believe that Google charged my card $11 today. I was like, what the fuck? where,
Why?
where from? I don't know. Honestly, I'm thinking it's from that, from that code base I gave you first off. I was basically testing the whole thing, like creating videos and just maybe that's what like that shit can be fucking expensive. Like what the fuck? Because normal they don't charge my card more than $1 per month or $1.8. But this period that I did that app on Google Studio, like they charged my card 11. I was like 11. I thought video generation and image generation got expensive like this.
No, you are not on the pro plan anyway.
Uh, bad. It's funny, honestly.
You are not on the pro
Okay.
plan. That is
Is
one
this
of the
the app?
reasons.
Is this the app? This is the app here.
Yes, yes,
This
yes.
good.
I want
This
to,
wow.
yes, I want to start it
Damn.
up.
You have the Pro Gemini. Why you get Pro Gemini now? Why don't you have Pro version
I have
for
now. Now I have Gemini now. I have the pro version. I've been using the
for even the
3.1.
serious? Ah shit.
Yes, so
I used to have access to your Gmail though. Fuck.
not long
Think I did.
commodity. I don't vomit it since.
Yeah. Come on.
Okay, these have been set up. So what should we do? Manage.
Let's go to manage VPS. You don't need the SSH key. It's only if
I
you
want
want to
to.
use
I want to copy it. I want to play with it later on anyway.
okay.
Use the MCP.
You can copy. It's always on your. It's always on the dashboard. You can copy it anytime.
Okay. So let's go to manage our VPS.
Okay. So if you just click on the manage panel, scroll down this guy.
I'm coming to. Okay.
So manage panel. No, just scroll up, scroll up.
Okay, this is it.
Yeah.
Okay, while this is loading, let me actually start this up.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Did I use the exclamation mark before? This one in the I could just help you run now.
I know. I want you to check the files also. So
Okay. Everybody, if you want to basically share code base now, it's just MD file. Nobody
it's
does
just a prompt.
nobody shares file.
Nobody does any of those stuff again.
Nobody does any code. They don't share this. Just the MD file. The Cloud code know what to do, or Gemini will know what to do. But it's really becoming a funny world right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna
It's
start
becoming
up
funny.
Docker. Start up Docker.
Okay. Mm. Damn.
So I think I'm gonna have to actually integrate LangChain with it anyway because of let me just log in and you can basically see what I'm trying to say.
Mm.
Okay, my Docker is up and running. Okay, so this is the library here. You can see all your files and stuff.
So let's actually play around to just generate a video. Maybe we can generate just a high level overview of what the app does. I don't think we want to start deep diving into the code of your system. So let's go.
Let's just generate some.
30%. My 30% SAS. Damn. I'm glad of my 30%.
a video.
Okay.
Okay. Ancient warrior screaming
Is this image or video?
video.
Okay.
Is this I'm coming? Let me just check that. Page.
I think that is image. Oh.
Yeah. Let me just expand this tab.
Okay.
Confusing. So yeah, because I used this thing. Okay.
Damn. The app is even more slick. So
You're
okay,
talking
the
about
create.
sleep.
There's one
You're
now.
talking. You're talking about sleep. Let me go to the edit aspect. You know sleep.
Hey, god damn it. 30% is going insane.
Chanting
Uh,
tree.
mhm.
So I'm
So you
trying
don't even need
to
to even
just
type the prompt, so you can actually speak it also.
yes, you can also speak to it.
Request.
Yeah.
Mm,
So you know when you're talking about video, you have a lot of things you want to define. So after speak to you
mm,
can actually
yeah,
optimize it. But I'll just go
yeah.
with this already. I'll just go with this. You can extend it to 60 seconds. So you can
Okay.
basically see it actually generating here. So basically before what you used to do that so it will start it will you won't be able to do anything. It's
It's
actually still
yeah, yeah,
generating. So I took that out. So it
yeah.
generates and
That one it was
actually
not. There was no but
as
that time to
async.
get to database to Superbase, I think.
Yeah.
Before it
So
was
after
there was no
generating, it's
Superbase.
actually
Mm,
preview the video. You show the video here.
okay, that's good. That's good.
So I think my
Mhm.
stuff are running right.
Yep.
Mine say took it are running on some like since the day I've installed Docker and since that day I've built and just become very interesting. Any little thing, let me check Docker. I was nice on. So after generating that, I want to actually go I want to edit some of those videos. I'm going to generate an image to and actually show some stuff. Basically some of the
Mm,
features I did. So we can
okay.
actually start doing a lot of stuff with this now. Because at the end of the day, it's editing the video is actually the goal anyway. So instead
Okay.
of you
So
going to
can it
Canva,
the AI can edit by itself? Can edit videos?
can you hear it?
The AI can edit the videos. No, I can't hear it, but at least it looks. Damn. And you can make it up to 60 seconds. I can basically
Yes.
hear it, but that's normal.
Maybe I will send it to you anyway.
Mm-hmm.
But basically that is it. I think it should be in database already anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So you see, once it's finished generating, just it saves to the asset library. Now I can come into edit aspects here. Now I can start editing a lot of stuff from here. It, so
Like,
basically,
mm,
the video now. The video has I particularly tell the AI to actually put sound there that should say "Victory is ours," and in the video it said
okay.
it. Now I want to create
Mm,
captions for it. Now I'm just going to use the video, use some library,
mm,
and now it's going to generate the caption and actually add it to the video.
wow.
So now I'm going to select type of caption. Maybe I want it to be the position, bottoms, bottom
Mm.
left. I'll
Okay,
just go for
yeah.
the middle. I'll go for the middle, and I want it to actually highlight it color by color. I want to use an interesting color. So maybe I'm just go
Mm,
for word. Let me just use highlight anyway. Highlight. I can use underline depending on the type of caption I want. Word by word. Let
okay.
me just use arrow key. I'm just click on born captions. And now you're
Wow.
going to see it now. Just
And
edit, putting
only
captions.
the okay, just caption. Okay, so the edit is for now is just captions.
Yes, it takes the audio on the video file and actually turn it into
Mhm.
captions
Okay, that's
without
good.
using any AI or anything.
You can even start using this on TikTok for now, safe. Just be pushing,
Yes,
just be
yes,
pushing on
yes,
TikTok.
yes.
Just create this TikTok stuff API, just push it out. Boop, automatically sending it out to TikTok.
So it's going to
Mm,
do that and actually take the audio. generate depending on the position. You can add a lot of stuff. The
Mm,
highlights one, you want to underline it, you want the underline, you want to. So basically, you see the example once I'm done.
okay.
So now you cannot generate multiple videos like this. After generating them, actually join them together again using the app. See the join, select multiple videos and join them
Mm,
together
okay. Damn.
without
This is a
using
whole
even
like a
AI.
whole different
Yes,
edit
yes,
stuff there.
without
There.
using
There.
without using AI, without using AI,
Mm,
you can actually do
okay.
it.
Mm,
And now you
yourself.
can now also take a picture and turn it into a video. So I'm going to show you that
Mm,
also.
yeah. Okay.
It's my NCA took it running. This is taking
Okay, it's the toolkit that is running this stuff.
all the editing part. It took it, but my
This
Docker that is
toolkit.
actually
It's taking the
mostly
heat.
taking the heat. Taking the heat. My Docker
Did you
is
did you check the requirements for hosting this thing live, like on the back end? So I was thinking
is
maybe the
API.
VPS. You said
API. It's API.
mm. It's fast API.
No, no. But I know it is API. If it's an API in toolkit,
Okay.
it's not anything like CLI or stuff. Just API.
No, I'm talking about the Docker. Since it's basically running on Docker, like is it not using any kind of RAM or stuff like that?
It is using, but it's not quite much anyway.
It's not quite my answer.
I've been
It's not
tracking
okay
it.
then. If it's, well, I was thinking if it's too much, then you might want to upgrade your VPS if you want to host it there. Okay,
It's,
let's see.
uh,
Okay, 6 3. Ah,
so basically, that is just now you can try to save it if the edit is actually up to your liking. But if it's not up to your
mm.
liking, you can actually come in here again, do what your
I think
changes.
I think on the live is like it's cracking or something. Is it that it's cracking there too, or it's
Hmm?
smooth there? Is it smooth on your end? Because from my own end, I think it's actually
It
like
is smooth. It is smooth on my
mm,
end.
okay, okay.
So basically, you can so instead of it saving to the database directly, after generating, you have to save it yourself. Maybe if you don't like it, you can actually change some things there, some parameters there,
Mm,
and generate it again before you actually
okay.
save it. So
Mm,
so it's not for this one. It's not automatically saving. You actually save it.
okay. Six
Now it
three
has
is
saved now. So let me
mm,
just go to the create. Let me create an image. I want to actually show some stuff.
okay.
Image.
Shit. Let's go. I say.
Let's go.
Let's
Let's
go. Let's go. Maybe people see this one. They want to join the live stream. Maybe if you can even set it up, if you can download it, I'll just use it as a thumbnail. I use as thumbnail. Let us see what YouTube will do. That's fucked up.
So after
Uh,
generating it now, that is this one of the
mm,
image interesting part now. For the image now,
okay.
you can now basically turn into a video without actually giving
Mm,
the this into an AI. Basically, a short.
mm, short
Let's
video.
just yeah, let's just
Damn. Mhm, mhm, mhm,
so
mhm,
basically one of the feature I'm trying to add is just I don't want this tray to be down here when it's generating. It can basically be on this preview here and show generating this preview box here.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
it
that
just
makes
basically
sense.
shows generating instead of actually putting a tray here below
Okay.
so that is one of the things I want to actually do.
Edit. Okay. That
That
makes sense.
just
That makes
more
sense.
like just like UI edits, not basically
Mm.
code based edits.
Oh,
Now you
okay.
can basically
Damn.
see
He did not
how
make it setless. What the fuck? Damn. Was fuck. This doesn't even look AI safe, honestly.
it doesn't look AI. It doesn't look AI. So I'm just going
Damn.
to maybe just save it. Let me just
Damn. Damn.
need for me to save it. So once it has generated, probably in my library already. So this is it.
Library.
Let me just
Damn.
read my library. I can see what I can do in the library. Edit with AI. I can analyze. I can
Okay.
download. But this
Download
particular the one of the thing I love about this. Now it
okay.
takes it just pin it directly to my edit bar directly straight. Now I can do some
Straight.
video with it. Maybe zoom
Damn.
out, pan right. Let me do pan right for like maybe 10 seconds. We are going to see it's
Okay.
going to basically turn
Create
into a
effect.
video.
Mm. Wow.
Now you can
Wow.
basically
Wow.
do different of this and actually join it together using your join
Using
feature.
the
You can do
join.
different
Okay.
yes, you can also zoom in, zoom out, and you can basically join together using your join and
Mm.
basically superb.
Okay.
So the one of the feature later to actually add in is the um audio, adding audio to video. So that's one of
Mm.
the. So basically, now after generating it, there won't be any sound with this because you are basically turning a picture to a video.
So a video,
So,
yeah,
but what
yeah,
basically, yes, once you have the sound integration, you can actually add sound into it. Because
yeah,
most of
for
the videos
sure, for sure.
online, people are actually generating are something like this. I'm going to show you the results now. You're going to see what I'm talking about. So instead of
Mm.
actually, you don't need the AI to actually generate it's something like this, and that's what most people are actually generating.
Mm. And also for the voice, I'm thinking you can just integrate if you want a very
11
free
lab,
way. You can
yeah.
use 11 labs, but 11
Or I should
labs
use
is like
Vercel,
somebody
Gateway, Abi.
using, no, not even the gateway. Somebody using it that doesn't really have, you have to like spend $5 to on 11 labs. If you want a more cheaper model, you can even clone your voice for on Deepgram. They give you $200 free credit. And that
Okay,
one
I can just.
you can basically use and keep using it. Once you even exhaust that one, you can just like create a new account. So I was thinking you can like put maybe have them put in their own API key, because I think that is the best. That's the best way. So instead of you putting your
No,
own API
basically
key on the
what
back end,
I'm trying
straight away.
to basically do, maybe I don't know yet anyway, but depending on
Mm,
the client onboarding process and so on, now you can basically
okay,
see it now.
let's go.
You can see how we just basically some of the pictures online or video online. This is how basically what they tell
This
the AI
how
to
they did.
generate.
Mm,
So and now AI is not being involved in actually in any of those video creation now. We just generate the picture and tell it to do
just
it.
mm,
You can tell it to pan up, pan down. You can see the
zoom in, zoom
duration.
out.
Now I can do this one. Now I can do pan left, pan right, and use the join feature. Totally join everything
Mm.
together. Let me just
You just
save
be
this
you
now.
just be panning and be zooming. You just be
That is
panning
just it.
away.
So I come into the join now.
Okay.
Now I'm going to select videos.
Some libraries. Mm, let's join up some
So you
things.
can do two. You can select three. You can select two. Confirm
Mm,
selection. I'm just going to join two
and
videos.
join.
And this is not even using AI or any stuff. Just using
Mm, toolkit.
so yeah, using a toolkit, a media
Wow,
toolkit.
this is fire, man. 30% on his way. 30% go sure. I go to sure.
So you can basically see now.
Okay.
So once
Mm,
it's done, basically sit down on plane too.
okay.
So that
Okay.
is just it.
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of
Wow.
other features you can do
You
here
can use
also.
honestly a
Yeah,
lot, a lot.
but that is just it. Well, just try to host it on this thing now and see how it goes anyway.
So you might want to basically find out with the guy with the AI. So we are sure we are deploying it on the right place. So Vercel definitely needs to the front end. You just need to be here. You're not moving it from Vercel. I think if you want to add the database, the front end is just going to be on Vercel. Then the back end, I think I basically need to know see where we can host that one too. Of course. So how did you basically set up the app? Because first off we're using what they call it app studio to like
Yeah.
generate the app, and it kind of mixes everything together. Because me, if I want to basically do it, I basically design a folder for the front end and a folder for the back end. So if I want to host a particular app, I just, for example, now on Vercel, now I'll just host only the front end folder.
Okay.
Then on the back end, I'll just host only the back end folder. So let's see. Let's see.
So this is the so basically the Google always Studio always code invite use invite.
Yeah, yeah.
That is one thing I noticed about Studio. It's always code using invite. So but this
Mm,
one is just
damn.
CS TypeScript.
Yeah, no. Okay. Mm,
So this is the super base schema
yeah.
and this is just all of this stuff is basically yeah.
Okay. SRC public. I think yeah. So I think we need to just use the AI to review everything, so we can. I think
Okay.
we're still going to host. We're just still going to host everything. The same thing in front end and back end, but it's just going to be we'll just do segments. Does this AI have access to? Can't you use? Let's resume your former conversations with the AI. I think we use slash resume so we can look for that the particular one that designed the app so that Don't need to go and start reading the
I
whole
didn't
five.
use let me just I didn't use Claude Gemini to
Gemini to
design this.
build. Nah, Claude
I use
use.
I use Claude, bro. I use
Let me see, does Claude has any resume chat feature?
they have it, but I don't have the conversation ID. So I have to start
You have to
again.
have version ID for.
Yes, yes. The session ID, yes.
Damn, that'd be
It's been a
bad.
while anyway, so I
Why,
just
why
it's
did it
not
think somebody will be? Somebody will now be saving the conversation. Does that make any sense? Why do
no
you think
you
somebody will be
can
saving the?
you can save it, but I notice if you save it, it's something if you
Mm,
save it, it just get after a while it's not longer available. I actually tried it before. After
okay.
a while it is no longer available.
So once we've just viewed the whole app, then read all the files and see where we can deploy it. I think you basically have to specify first that you have the you just got VPS. So let's see how we can set it up on there.
Okay, let me just are you shipping anything there?
Me?
Mm.
I'm always shipping, bro. I'm always shipping. What will I do if I don't ship? I'm not shipping, then I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm going to add bulk the bulk stuff, but I don't really want to. I don't really want, honestly, don't want to even push anything here until I finish onboarding these clients I currently have. I
You
told him
still
to basically
haven't
send me
they
some.
haven't
I said
still
they are basically just delaying me, honestly. Like I told them to send me some things. So they are still the API guy also still he hasn't really done what I asked him to do because the rates there's just serious rate limit. I can't basically touch the API the way I want to, and he paginated the dashboard, the database. So I need to like query, and query. But the guy has. I told him to like get me to remove that rate limit. Let me play with what I want to play. But I don't know if he has done it. But the other guy, I need something from him. He hasn't still replied me.
that
Just
too
like
now?
wasting time. There are two. There are two.
Sharp, sharp.
The developer to the no the developer to the client and the
No,
client
they do the
client.
thing now. I say there are two. You
I
go,
do. I also have someone too that just want to. He's basically having for Dubai. He basically needs it for Dubai. This thing. So their problem now is they don't want to use the WhatsApp Messenger because it's cost per and the WhatsApp API business API because it's pay per per message, right? So they want to
Mhm.
use my own solution for just so that they don't have to pay. They don't have to pay for any per message. So I think my already have it too that does it. I don't need to rebuild everything now. So once they are ready, we fucking onboard them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. But why are you using Opus 4.6, bro? You get what I do.
Ah,
You want this thing to run wild. Oh, these
you
days,
can it can't run wide now. Basically, it just to review the code and he
mm,
loves reviewing their code. You understand it very well.
for real. So what's the media studio? What's the media studio SAS for? That? What's the difference between the two of them?
This was the original Vite which
Okay,
I
so you have to
cloned.
like,
I
okay, this
just
is
but I deleted
okay.
it. I deleted some of those stuff, but I actually just left some of this so you can actually reference it, you
Mm,
can actually building
mm,
it. You understand? Instead of me deleting
okay,
the whole stuff.
yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Ta, 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 pa, ta.
Okay, I already closed the dash. Why is this not working anyway?
What's that?
My manage panel.
Money plan is not working. Are you sure?
It's not loading up.
Why? Did you vex with me? Your friend just bought.
So basically, this is
Can we go back to the hosting and see why? I'm not sure why it's not
I think
loading
maybe
this.
my let me just refresh this. So it seems
It's not still going.
it's still loading. I don't know basically what's wrong with it, but since we have code based summary, okay, okay, this will be the internal. This will be the main application.
Next.js app.
Um, 300 media processing Docker. I think I'm have to use Docker on Hostinger.
No, you don't need any of those. P2M Docker to keep the app running. So can you ask it if you can actually like, because you basically need to push this code to your GitHub and just like create a project on just create a project on EasyPanel. So basically let it know about EasyPanel. EasyPanel is basically helps you to avoid the Docker stress. That's why
Okay,
we
okay,
opened it. We bought this EasyPanel instead.
okay.
So just tell it about the EasyPanel. So you have to like create a project on EasyPanel, connect your GitHub, and
My
add
GitHub is
you.
already connected anyway.
No, it's not connected to EasyPanel.
Okay, okay, okay.
Why is this EasyPanel not opening though?
I don't know. Not easy panel. Disk space 50 gig.
Mm-hmm.
I thought yours was 100 gig.
I'm using KVM2,
Okay,
2
okay,
core
okay.
8 gig and then 100 gig. Okay, I think you can actually get a Hostinger MCP. I see how you can get that.
They have an MCP.
Yeah, you can just connect it to Claude straight up. You have
Do
to get
we
an.
do do we
You're going
need to
to be.
use
You need to get your Hostinger API key, just that, and yeah, API token. Yeah, just the API key. I think that's going to have access to the launch this monitor your yeah, I think that is even better to monitor the whole VPS.
okay.
This guy is not still opening. This is funny. Can you open this? What am I gonna? Can you let me check something now?
So it's,
Maybe
I've told you about the Easy Panel anyway.
okay.
So Easy Panel make this much simpler.
Okay. Can you like do you have any like browser you can open this in your and that browser you can open it? Or maybe a kind of Ignito tab or something.
Okay, I think maybe let me see. Maybe because of I have my server running on for 3,000.
Mm.
Let me try
I
to
think
see.
the no, it doesn't. I don't think. Yeah, let's see. What did he say that up there? I think I saw something about the easy panel.
Yeah, this is it. This one makes this much simpler. It's a Docker base.
Mm-hmm.
Create a Docker file for your instances. Create a Docker ignore. Keep my images. Keep it. Let me create.
Then I just log into this code. Just log into this system. So you might, if you want to set up any API, you can tell me. I can just like remove your screen from this
Okay,
thing so
okay,
you can
okay.
put in your API. You know, carry your API run away. Karaoke. You know, karaoke good user and they run run their own things.
Let me first queue. I don't know what is
This guy
wrong.
is not still running. You have to maybe try on
Mm,
that browser. You have to try on that browser. Maybe an
I'm
Ignito or
thinking it's
something.
my. Let me try to queue the cost 3,000. Basically, this is still not working.
Let's try a different sound. A different Ignito or something. Let's try that. I don't think your any port you have any active ports.
Okay, nothing is running. Nothing is actually running on for 3,000.
Then maybe it's just one of those things. Try an Ignito tab. Just copy the URL and Fire ignito. Ignito. I'm sure you copy that shit well.
I don't know what's maybe because I just set it up because I can't.
Maybe if it's not working, we'll try and reboot the VPS. It's supposed to be working. Has it opened on your laptop? No, the other one you did.
No, I did close that.
Let's reboot the VPS then.
I already put that.
This is all
I
this.
don't. I rebooted it already.
Can reboot them.
Hmm.
Okay. So what's the issue? What's the EU? What's the EU?
It seems it is not set up already because I'm waiting server usage.
So what I said to set up so user will be available shortly.
Check back in 30 minutes to see data.
It doesn't just take time like this. Doesn't take time like this. Doesn't take time like this.
It's not actually even going through.
Can't reach it. Can't reach it. Okay, let's ask Cody. Check my VPS connectivity. What's it saying? Is active and running. The base public. Da, 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 da.
Okay, it seems this is currently what is going on.
Response with
Seems
a 3-1 direct to HBS. So something is listening on point 3 and redirecting to 443.
at least partially active.
Run inside for a complete. PS. Okay, this is the okay. This is exactly your IP. So what is what exactly is listening on the port 80?
Let me try to use the terminal to.
So once you run terminal, terminal is just up there. Just scroll
Mm.
up. You see the terminal. Okay. 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 You know what? Just let's close this VPS. Have you been able to run anything on the terminal?
Yes,
What is it? What did the terminal? What did it say on the terminal? What error did you get?
I didn't
What
get
did
any
it?
error on the terminal. I actually saw it was leaking upward 3000.
So the code said it was redirecting to something.
That what is that?
Let's run it again. See.
It said permanent redirection. So something is listening on. HTTP tag from inside is restricted by its but if direct proves the web stack is at least partially active.
Mm, okay. Can you that command is run? Let's run that command and see for a
I've
complete
actually run.
service report.
I ran the
Okay,
command anyway.
and nothing.
Nothing.
So just copy that message. Just copy the message and ask this guy how to fix it. Basically, let's
Which one?
let's
Okay.
the port message. Just copy it quickly and ask this guy to fix it. So how do we fix it? No, not code Claude. You don't need Claude. Nah, still Cody.
Okay.
Another thing, make sure. Get the browser connection. Right there.
Still the same thing.
Let me even see your 17. That's 6 1. 17. What's wrong? I've logged into your panel now. Now your browser they cause this stuff. I'm in your panel already.
Mm.
In your panel. Is this browser or something? I don't know.
Did you open it up? Were you able to open the manage panel?
Yeah, I was able to open the easy panel now. I'm opening it just for you to set up your email and password and you can be able to log in from my side. I can log in your panel from here. So I don't know. What's your system or your cache or something? You don't have any other terminal, any other Chrome at all. Or like no, nah, they use Mac. No that
I'm my Safari now.
and try copy the and just copy the URL and try it on Safari. So also you can also change the domain if you don't want maybe the system is having one stress of running it in these useless IPs. You can just connect one of your hosting app domain to it. You're just using that one to log in instead.
Okay.
I don't think it's still going to open on your Safari. Now, what kind of issue is that? What issue is that? Because it's definitely opening up here. Why is it not opening up on your end?
It's not opening up my mind.
That's fucked. That is fucked up. Okay, I think I'll just help you to create an account and a password. Let me see whether what kind of password do you like, Safe? Can you type it on my WhatsApp? Let me see.
Okay, okay. Let me send you password I use.
John Life, I'm waiting them they talk. Oh, please next week Saturday, we need to like first do music. Like that music it has one ginger on its own. Okay, let me add in your password. And that should be good to go. And good to go, good to go. So set up. Okay, I have
Have you set it up?
your yeah. So can you try to log into here? Try to log in here again and see. Maybe it will work this time. Oh no.
It actually opens up on my phone.
Yeah, let's see. So I don't know what something is wrong there that with that guy. Try it again. Since I've already logged in. Let's try and see that too.
Okay.
If it doesn't log in, then you might want to just connect. Maybe you just connect your this or let me see. Let me check from your domains. So can't basically do anything. You can't basically change any domain here unless you have downloaded an app that you can. It's not still opening there. Damn, that's confusing.
I want to see what it is working. My data is working anyway. So you said you've created a login for it, right?
Yeah, just use your email and your password. You should be good to go.
Okay. Actually log in on my phone.
Okay. It would be good to also be able to log in on your system too, because that's why you have to do the configs and all those things.
Basically, I think it's my system because now I try to
Mm.
actually use the terminal
There
to
is,
actually connect
I
it.
think
I
it
tried to use the
once happened to
terminal.
my system. It
I
once
tried
happened to
using
my
the
system.
terminal. The terminal basically told me fail to connect also.
The terminal. Okay.
Yes, I tried using the call command.
Okay. Yeah. It happened once on my system, but that was, I think that time I just had to change the browser. I just had to check my second browser and it went. So I think maybe it happens. Maybe once you do, maybe you reload, you restart your system or something. Like, not supposed to have that issue. Or maybe it's because it's Mac. It's afraid of Mac. Those kind of thing.
It shouldn't.
It's afraid of Mac, Joe. So I think we have to be able to basically find a way to get this guy running. But we can now log in those. Or we can log in those or connect the backend up.
Let me try to restart my system. Oh,
Nah, without your system on the on stream, are you fucking kidding me? No, without your system on stream, oh. We are fucking live. You don't start systems on live, man.
I need to set up the project. But basically, from what Claude is basically telling me that I'll use one project folder but two different app inside the project folder.
That is
Create two
on
services,
the easy
yes.
panel.
Easy, yeah,
Okay.
two, yes, on the easy panel.
Yeah. That's possible. That's possible. So definitely the interesting goal now is to, this is basically this is about already Monday, right? So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
fucking goal right now is to basically go out and market, go out and close. It's because we are going to basically definitely going to be using, just said so, we are going to be using the whole of Monday and Friday to do work, pitch, pitch and sell your half, bro. Saturday and Sunday is for vibe building. But that Monday, weekdays, is to code, just is to sell, look for customers that want to sell. So I'm trying to like even get some TikTok classes on how to run ads, bro.
Okay.
So once I get that stuff set up, the heat is fucking killing me. So what is Cluster doing? So we are not just going to. I can't just be building in my room and be expecting to make 100 100 million. I have to go. I have to get this thing in front of, in front of people, which I have to do throughout tomorrow. I have to look for ways. See, basically,
Outreach.
I
You
think I'm
just get
actually going
outreach
to.
going.
I said, yeah. I want to look for how I can use Claude to like help me at least automate the content generation that's going to make sense. Like my LinkedIn, bro, on one fucking post, I had 42K impressions. Like, damn, one post. The thing just keeps increasing every day. There are some, at least out of 5 posts I post in a whole week, one will reach that 40 something.
Okay.
So like, damn, it's just good. So I just had to like, before we went on this live, I had to like do this week's own. So I basically schedule
I
this week's
haven't
own.
done my week on anyway.
No
I haven't
matter
done
what,
it
I always make
today.
sure I do it on Sundays. Only Sundays I can. I just make sure quickly. I just give, basically I give Claude feedback on which one worked, what worked, comments, likes, which one had most likes. So it's not looking to more content on that content that did well. Now generate more. And bro, the content I have for this week, if companies don't tell Lady to ban my account, that means they don't care. Because bro, they'll fight this.
42K
Claude,
impressions.
Claude, Claude sef told me that, but bro, forget this. Let them chill themselves in your comment section. I was like, yeah, we are chilling, we are chilling, we are chilling, we are chilling. Fuck. So, I'm not joking. I'm not joking with LinkedIn anymore. I'm not joking with LinkedIn. So I think we're basically going to stop here for today, right? We need to even fucking do
Mm,
5 to 6 to 7 hours. So just once you are done, basically try to restart just restart your system. This thing is I'm very sure it's just a bug or any cache. Just cache all this cache issue.
Yes, I've been using post 3000, so I think my
Yeah,
videos apps
exactly.
and that I'm running there. So
So once we restart that, then I think that should be good. Um, yeah. So you guys
okay.
basically saw that we did not basically start vibe coding ASAP. It's because before we decided to even come on stream, we have basically like built out a working MVP of the whole stuff. And as we keep on onboarding, as we start basically onboarding customers this week, like I currently have two customers I can basically start onboarding. So once we start onboarding customers, we'll definitely start getting back real users data that we will use to keep on improving the app. Vibe improving. Let's put it like that. Vibe improving the app, that get the app to where the customer needs it to be, because not where me I need it to be, because I don't fucking care. It's what the customer wants. The customer is always right. Customers are always right. So I think that's a wrap.
That's the wrap for
That's about
today.
a wrap.
I'll
That's a
fix
wrap.
this
Yeah, we
and
should fix this.
yes, and I'll use my Git anyway. I'll push everything to Git,
Hmm.
so that'll
Yeah,
be easier for me to
definitely.
actually just keep on
Run
making changes and
everything.
just commit to them.
Yeah. Okay, okay, sounds good, sounds good. So, yep, I will not be doing any live stream by on the weekdays, because that's that's the only time we have to get work done and find customers that are going to pay. We cannot be doing vibes, or should we be doing vibe selling? Vibe selling?
Vibe outreach,
Nah,
vibe
vibe
outreach.
vibe outreach, vibe selling. So the so that's
Uh,
basically Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm very sure this current revenue bar should be increasing. Right now, it's basically zero. Once we onboard the customers this week, it should basically improve. It should basically start improving. At least we should start seeing a good a good show that you're not just vibe coding for play. All these things. Yeah, do you think to be using that to be playing with two kids? Do you think it's easy? You think that baby work? Once you see somebody
I,
using
I,
two kids, no
I
be joke again. You
I
best know
swear,
they play again.
yeah, setting up buckets on Superbase,
I swear, those S3 buckets have it.
S3
Ah,
buckets.
it's not easy, Jerry. But it's what you got to do to make the money. Yeah. Okay, now. So
Okay,
that's
bro.
basically all for
So
today.
we wrap up for today. We do
Yep.
outreach
Yep.
for this should be up by tomorrow, by before the end of today anyway. This should be up
Yeah. Yeah.
because
Definitely. Definitely.
I didn't buy VPS to play.
I don't buy. That's it. Though. You don't
I
buy
did not
BPS
buy
to
VPS
play.
to play. I know you spend $6 just to tell me it's not working.
And after that $6,
So
I think I actually made like 1.82. That's beautiful.
come bring it over here,
Actually
bro.
made like.
Bring it over here, bro.
Go still have that.
Give me
So I
the two
think
cents there, bro. I don't ask for
no,
much.
no,
Just
yeah,
give me the
okay.
2 cents there.
Let's try to sell. Let's try to market more. Let's try to market more. Let people use our this thing. Then we see. Honestly, I think these are actually a different source of income on its own. Get
Actually
people,
put it on the video on the YouTube video
yeah,
link
I
anyway.
put I put it I put it in the on the video. Yeah, I put it on the video on
Okay,
the
okay, okay.
chat. So okay, and that's a wrap. See you guys next week, Saturday. Happy New Month.
Month. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.